Вот сейчас мы в эфире. Zoom есть, показывает. 30 секунд задержка, через 30 секунд, мне кажется, должно начаться. Вот сейчас мы в эфире.
Пошло.
Все, отлично, отлично. Эфир работает. Все, тогда Аида, это тоже, да, кто-то из наших? Сейчас
Аида,
посмотрим.
это, видимо, участники начинают присоединяться.
Их попозже, их в 11, да, всех принять?
По твоему времени, да, в 11.
Да, тогда давайте. Да, у меня по моему времени это 11. Хорошо, сейчас давайте я посмотрю. View. Да, Аида присоединяется, хорошо. Все, без проблем. Меня хорошо слышно, да? Никаких проблем нет.
Да, все прекрасно слышно.
Все, отлично. Можете, пожалуйста, сказать те, у кого будет речь на русском языке? Я просто... Если у вас есть речь, можете мне ее скинуть, чтобы я сразу переводил. Или же, если у вас всех на английском, то проблем вообще нет.
И я как-то речь не особо готовил, но это...
У
Но
вас на английском, да, речь получается?
Не, я говорю, я речь не готовил какую-то вступительную, даже не знаю, что сказать. Я больше готовился именно к самому процессу судейства. Там,
Да,
на
да.
английс- там с английским проблем нет, то есть просто буду подключаться по ходу тех блоков, когда будут говорить про конкретно мои вещи, то есть про Enterprise, и оценивать уже там Team Presentation, вот, визуальную часть. Ну, если она будет, опять же, я вот пока... Мы все
Все,
тут находимся в таком ожидании, какой уровень зададут участники, вот, потому что посмотрим.
все, без проблем, понял вас. Хорошо, тогда, Сергей, мне нужно, чтобы вы... У вас речь, если будет на русском языке, если она у вас готовая, можете мне ее скинуть. Если нет, то я постараюсь перевести во время, следственно, нашего мероприятия.
Я на русском, да, но я буду коротко, какой-то речи нету, я буду максимально лаконичен и коротко. Вот.
Ага. Все, без проблем. Сейчас посмотрю. Рустам. Рустам Ермеков – это наш судья, да? Надо его принять. Да, он
Да.
судья.
Да.
Без проблем. Все.
Доброе утро всем.
Доброе утро.
Привет, Рустам.
Маньяна, как говорится.
Меня слышно?
Прекрасно слышно.
Все отлично, спасибо большое. Бек Султан, салам, как ты?
Отлично, отлично, Жестоки, вы как?
Хорошо, спасибо. Ты где, в Казахстане?
Да, в Алматы.
Так, еще один вопросик. Мы оцениваем, пишем в блокнотике, а потом уже по факту все результаты рассказываем или рассказываем результаты по ходу?
Нет, мы подводим итоги после. Мы не будем тратить сейчас время. То есть фиксируем всех себе и потом обсуждаем.
Прекрасно, прекрасно. Тогда все намного более понятно и отлично.
То есть, получается, не надо будет как сказать, пока по критериям идти.
Мы вчера этот вопрос обсуждали, пришли к тому, что так как мы пока не знаем средний уровень участников, вот, и там критерии заявлены, они очень высокие, то мы сейчас отбираем некое количество финалистов, причем оно не ограничено там 5-7, то есть ну просто вот некий там топ, вот, как нам покажется. Потом проведем с ними определенную теоретическую работу, и у нас уже будет суперфинал, где мы конкретно по критериям будем судить. Вот.
Good.
А сегодня у нас задача простая — выбрать некоторое количество, там, не знаю, сколько получится, 3, 5, 7, 10 там команд, вот, которые просто вот верхний уровень, с которым мы потом проведем уже там какие-то лекции, какие-то занятия, чтобы уже на суперфинале требовать соответствия тем критериям, которые заявлены в международном конкурсе.
Good.
Рустем, вы будете говорить какую-то приветственную речь?
А я почему? Кто организатор?
Ну, мы судей спрашиваем, хотите или нет.
Ага.
Мы
Судьи,
просто-
сразу на меня.
Им надо сказать.
Давайте Бексултана, его не жалко.
Не-не-не.
Коллеги, на всякий случай говорю, что мы в прямом эфире сейчас на Ютубе.
Да, все хорошо уже. Понял.
А меня нормально слышно, да? Чтобы никакого шума нету, все есть, все отлично,
Все отлично, да, спасибо.
Все. Команды уже должны тогда потихоньку присоединяться, хотя никого нет.
Я напишу им.
Все без проблем. Они могут в 11 сразу подойти, так что, мне кажется, этим проблем не будет.
Ружана, а вот которые ты оценочные листы скинула, они вот в таком порядке будут выступать, правильно? Как ты
Да,
скидываешь?
на сегодня только.
Окей.
А, Наталья, извиняюсь, вы тут?
Да.
Я
Let's
хотел
go.
спросить, вот ту речь, которую мне скинули, как я понял, это только приветственная речь, и все.
Мгм.
Все, без проблем, спасибо.
Мгм.
Просто потом ты можешь следить за командами, типа говорить, там, у вас осталось 5 минут, или у вас есть время на Q&A, типа вот так.
Да, все. Окей, да, так
Да,
вот
и чё?
сейчас и
Спасибо.
планировал. Все, без проблем. Им сколько минут еще раздается?
6 минут на презентацию и 2-4 минуты на Q&A.
Ага, спасибо. 6 минут на презентацию. И 2 минуты, да, на Q&A, не 4?
Ну, там, знаешь, 2-4 минуты. Типа
Ну,
у
Все,
них время, чтобы показать свое портфолио, например, зашерить.
до
Хорошо,
10 минут, до 10 минут нормально мы.
тогда получается 6-8 минут и 2-4 минуты на Q&A. Вот так могу сказать.
Я думаю, лучше, чтобы у всех был регламент на презентацию 6 минут.
Все, давай, без проблем. Сейчас вот уже присоединяются.
Аржан, ты следишь за временем, да, таймкипер?
Я буду.
Все хорошо.
Хорошо, у каждой команды 6 минут, на Q&A будет 4 минуты. Мне кажется, так будет намного эффективнее, все, понял. Команда присоединяется. Admit all. Окей, good, great.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, everyone. So we're gonna wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll start our event. Just need other participants to join and we will start.
Погали, let's go racing, boys.
Okay, good. Pam. One more minute and we're gonna start. So, okay, we are starting. Good morning, dear participants, colleagues, judges, and guests. We are delighted to welcome you to the first official event of STEM Racing Kazakhstan. Today marks an important milestone in the development of engineering education and the STEM field in Kazakhstan. Moreover, it is especially valuable that you, teams, schools, and mentors, you are becoming part of this launch. Additionally, the program in Kazakhstan is organized by Sergei Nichivilin, head and founder of the international education project Pro Sport Performance, representing the STEM racing program in our country. Sergei, the floor is yours.
Да. Аминь. Спасибо большое. Коллеги, друзья, участники, всем доброе утро. Это последнее, что сегодня вы услышите на русском языке, дальше вы общаетесь и презентуетесь на английском, да. Я рад всех приветствовать для нас, для команды ProSport и STEM Racing Казахстан. Это очень волнительный день, это первое официальное мероприятие STEM Racing Казахстан. Вот, и я очень надеюсь, что мы все вместе сделаем этот проект очень круто, все вместе с участниками, со школами, с командами. И я уверен, что в следующем году мы увидимся уже в рамках официального ивента, даже нескольких ивентов, и познакомимся и будем общаться. Вот. Всем удачи, спасибо огромное, рад всех видеть. Амин, звук.
Thank you, Sergey.
И приготовитесь.
So do you hear me now? Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, thank you, Sergey, for this inspiring words. So now I'm asking all participants to show yourself, to show your faces, to open your cameras, please. So now I will introduce our judges. And today we are joined by our competition judges. The chief judge, Kerimkhan Bek Sultan, a specialist in STEM and robotics, project manager at US STEM Foundation, and chief judge of international first competition. With experience in over 100 events, silver medalist of the first Global Challenge 2024 as part of the first Global Challenge as the part of the Kazakhstan national team and an expert in evaluating engineering projects. Please welcome Kerimkhan Bek Sultan. Our next judge, Ibrahim Ali Bek, Chief Engineer of MIT Fab Lab at Sadbayev University. He has experience in designing and building car prototypes, participant of Shell Eco Marathon, and Formula student, and holds a PhD in mechanical engineering, mentor of the CAU racing team. And the next judge is Rustem Yermekov, STEM educator and development engineer with extensive experience in robotics and education, author of educational programs and team, mentor included in the Forbes 30 under 30 Kazakhstan list, and recognized as the best IT educator in Central Asia. Max Carrada, founder and former co-owner of Totally New Promotion, a company that works with sponsors in Formula One, MotoGP, and other international racing series. Arojan, full scholarship recipient of High Tech Academy 2025, participant of the Young Founders Summit 2025 Singapore, founder of the social project Janakai Comics focused on child abuse issues in Central Asia, author of the research work Robotics in Ecology, award winner at BUCA IMCF, manager at the Transformation Foundation and Samsung Seoul for Tomorrow program. Additionally, she is the ambassador of the STEM racing program in Kazakhstan. So now I'm moving to our competition format. So we have some important updates regarding this competition. Due to the large number of registered teams, the competition will be divided into two stages. The first stage will take place today and tomorrow. Based on the results, several of the strongest teams will advance to the final. The results of the qualifying round will be announced on May 5th. The final is tentatively scheduled to take place in about 2 weeks. During this period, we will organize additional meetings with finalist teams to provide feedback and recommendations to improving their projects. In addition to this, representatives of major companies in Kazakhstan will attend the final. They may become sponsors of the teams and support their preparation and participation in the World Championship in Singapore. Representatives of the International STEM Racing Program will also take part in selecting the winner. And today's online qualifying round features teams from various schools across Kazakhstan. Each team has prepared an engineering project, including car design, technical justification, and a business concept. So our regulations about the rules that we have today. Each team is having 6 minutes for their presentation. Then they're having 2 minutes for Q&A from the judges. So we are kindly ask you to strictly follow the time limits to ensure fairness for all teams. And now we begin. We invite the first team to present. The team is Key AES, and the floor is yours. Please, could you say the representative of your team who will be showing the presentation, as I want to give permission for that.
So can I ask you, the KIS team, are you ready right now, or we can wait for 15 minutes to start exactly at your time? Can the representative of this team answer?
Hello, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Can we
If you're not
start
ready,
like 15 minutes?
okay.
15 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. We can.
Other teams will present or not?
No, we can arrange a Q&A session right now. Like, if someone has questions regarding this new news about the second part of our competition, we can answer right now with judges, or if you have any other questions, because it's unexpected that we ended a bit earlier than we planned.
Sorry, do you hear me?
Yeah.
So I think we should wait for other participants to maybe they will have questions, and we will start by 10:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, no problem.
So you can ask orally or write in the chat.
So after the stage of the competition, there will be another stage which will lead to the super final. And if you're selected, you will go to the super final. And in the super final event, there will be sponsors who can actually support your project. So yes, I think after this stage, you will go to the super final.
I have two questions. How many teams are going to make through super finals?
So there is no
Like,
strict number of teams that we want to like add to the next stage, but I think it will be like 5 to 7, maybe less, maybe more. We don't want to make it really strict because it's our like first competition. Let's see.
All right.
How
Thank you. Another question. Sorry, another question is, will the sponsors be from within Kazakhstan or outside Kazakhstan also?
So maybe our judge Max will answer this question because he
Yes,
was so
sure.
excited.
I can. It will be some companies from Kazakhstan, some major companies, and I will ask to join this final stage several companies, several international companies with local offices, and several of them told me that it's a great idea, but nobody knows what we can expect. So we'll see the actual level of teams right now. And after we'll make final decision and we'll negotiate it with some companies and we'll announce it really soon.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
So the main part of the presentation, we should present only the presentation, not only portfolio, yes? Oh, without the portfolio.
You can share your presentation definitely, but you will have like 4 minutes for Q&A session, and you can like ask and share also your portfolio. But all of the teams need to submit your portfolio today to our mail, Racing.
You can write in chat. You can write
Yeah,
in chat.
I will write it.
Okay, thanks.
What you're actually asking about, like what happens if you're asking about the super final, it should happen in about 2 weeks, but on the May 5th, there will be results of the qualifying round. It will be announced on May 5th. So on May 5th, you will know.
Hi. I would like to ask a question about how many quotas are there for global stage, like for Worlds, after Super Final?
We have only one qualified team that will be representing Kazakhstan in internationals.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, do you hear me?
Yes.
We have one participant that can't go to this right now.
It was a bit unclear, but I guess I already answered you in Telegram. Yeah, it's fine if one participant will not be able to attend this session.
No, he's able. Like he just can't go to the. Please let him in.
So he cannot join this session or what? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
He just can't exit. Wait, not exit. I mean, he can't go to this session because something is not like giving to do this.
I mean, do you see some guests in the
I'm in the meeting. I think they're joining. So yes, I didn't see them, but yes, they're joining now.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience.
So in our chat in Telegram, I sent our mail, and you can submit your portfolio today.
Okay.
So guys, if you don't have any questions, I wanted to say something to you. I just wanted to wish you all good luck. This is our first championship in Kazakhstan, and we are all a bit nervous, and I can like imagine how nervous you are also. But I hope that everything will go smoothly and well, and be at a high level. And I hope you will enjoy this event and have fun, as we like judges will also have fun. And being an ambassador and representing STEM racing in Kazakhstan, it's a big responsibility. And I hope that everything will be fine, and we, in the end, will be proud of our work. Good luck to everyone.
Thank you.
And welcome to the fabulous world of motorsport. So hope your journey starts here. And welcome.
Hello, everyone. I think it's your first step into the Formula One because it's part of the big Formula One system, and I think the best of you will go tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, in the future in the Singapore finals, so to represent our country on the high level. And I wish you all of you luck and be smart and keep pushing.
Sorry, may I ask one question, last question?
Okay.
Yeah.
So do we need to show off our cameras when we're presenting? When we're representing our presentations?
Yeah, that would be great if you could turn on your cameras.
Okay.
Because as I said in the previous session, I mentioned that we are looking for potentials and we want to see your how your eyes are firing. So we need to see your faces. It will be really great.
Okay.
Could you accept my second account to Zoom, please? Because I don't have camera on my computer.
Okay. Got you. We'll do it now. Okay. So again, before the first team is presenting, I would like to mention the rules. So you're having 6 minutes to present and 4 minutes for Q&A. During the Q&A, you can also talk about your portfolio and you should share them on the email that Arjan mentioned. Yes, I think that's basically it. If you have any questions before we are starting about the presentation, maybe you can ask now. Because in 2 minutes, we're going to start with the first team. Okay, I think the first team, the representative of the Key AES team, who is it? Could you please tell me? I would like to give you the permission to show your presentation.
Yeah, it's us.
It's Nur Mohammed, right?
Yeah, I just you disabled the share.
Yeah,
The share
I'm doing it now. So could you confirm that you can share your
yeah.
screen?
Yeah, I can. Thanks.
Okay, great. You can start. When you're gonna start, just let me know. I will count the time basically. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. So let me show my camera.
Телефон настрой.
Не знаю,
Да, они сейчас тебя спрашивают.
Can you see it?
Okay, great. But we cannot see your face.
It's on my second account that joined.
Okay, it's iPhone. Let me pin it.
Yeah, iPhone.
Okay. Okay, now I think is everyone seeing the Nur Muhammad, especially judges?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now I will start counting the time. Just saying when you're ready.
Mm-hmm. So let's start. I'm ready, and our team also ready. Do you start?
Yeah, good
Yes,
luck.
you can start. Your time is
Uh,
going right now.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Don't you mind if I had like phone and monitor? Like I don't have a webcam. Like I have headphones to speak and camera from phone.
Let me clarify the situation. So I think it would be better, of course, with the camera, but if you're not able to do that with this kind of situation, of course, we will. I think the judges will not disable you from this event. Okay, so please, if you have any questions, write in the Telegram chat or in the Zoom chat because we don't want to take the time of our teams as we have tight schedule. I hope everyone got that.
So
think
if we represent the presentation with our team, like not only me, just all the team will present. It's okay?
it's great.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
you're starting now. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
so good morning, everyone. It's our project called Hail Mary. So today we're going to represent you the team identity structure, how we develop the plan and the project's concepts also. So starting by team identity, why did we choose KS? First is the bird. So the bird is a symbol, as a symbol of the freedom. It's not just abstract of sense. It's but in every project we build like backup solution and points of supports that aren't immediately apparent. Second, the bird in the square. A bird in the square. A square isn't a cage, just because the bird isn't locked up. So it's just still here. It can step outside its boundaries at many moments, but there is no need to do it yet. So the title KS represent the stands for Kazakhstan Advanced Electronic Systems. It's simple. We are from Kazakhstan. We work with electrical systems, and we like strive to do it better than usual. So start saying by our team structure. We have 6 participants in our team. First is Bekboat Usimbai, who is the founder of our team, and also he's the graphic designer. He is the lead designer of our race car and also designed
I'm
our
sorry, Nur
logo.
Mohammed, for interrupting you. Uh, Please, who has the microphone on, could you turn
Okay.
it off because we are hearing what's going on? Maybe it's on your side, Nur Mohammed, but it's
No.
really, I think, kind of disturbing. So your time is not going. I stopped it. Okay, you can continue. Sorry for that. Just
Going by after the big board, we have Yerkimbeko Yarasu, who is the research engineer, who lead the all research and development, who did all our project by searching informations. So the third participant is the Tulinde Arnor. Tulinde Arnor is the physics engineer. He led all the physics formulas engineering of our race car. He also analyzed aerodynamics and materials of it. Going by fourth participant, we have Maximhan Ali Khan. He's a mechanical engineer. The man will be lead mechanical engineering of our team, and also he'll handle the manufacturing, and also he'll make our car to participate. Going to the fifth participant, it's me, Imam Madiv Nur Muhammad. I'm the race strategist. So I think I'm just the brain of a team because I'll analyze my opponents, uh, call the pressure settings to make sure that every decision will give give us a win for every race, even before the start. And last participant, it's Timirhan Hamad. He's the materials engineer, so he will responsible by selecting the all materials that we are going to choose, including like ABS plastics, bearings, testing, and also testing the cases components. So going to the fifth slide, going to represent my teammate.
Ali Khan.
Oh, sorry. Um, Designing sprint car is an engineering challenge in which the primary goal is to convert compressed energy into kinetic energy as efficiently as possible. Since the vehicle has no electronics, its successful depends entirely on the parameters of gas discharge and finely tuned aerodynamics. The result of this work should be an ultra lightweight and streamlined models capable of generating initial thrust without necessary losses. So our was our most critical decisions for our team was the choice of the material. So we selected the ABS plastic to manufacture both of the chassis and the body. Why ABS? First, ABS is uh, more comfortable to printing with big size of the project, and second is if we have a lot of FDM printers skills to print with ABS plastic, and it will very strength and sorry, it will be strength and it will strength and lightweight.
Sorry, your time is over for the presentation. You're having 4 minutes for the Q&A from the judges and your portfolio, basically. So, yes, if judges have questions, I will start counting the time by now.
Can you show your 3D model of the car?
3D model.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Wait. One moment. We have like our graphic designer show his screen sharing. So basically, he'll just show for now the the 3D model.
Okay, we're still waiting, but one question. Do you have any marketing plan or any sponsor development plan or such things in your project?
You said sponsors?
Yes, some kind of how do you want to offer your team to
Yeah,
international
of
local
course,
companies?
like we participate to many competitions like Alemtech Fest 2026. Also, we had been on SAF Azerbaijan 2025. So more like sponsors are interesting in us, like Ashkhaspan, Artisan. So we're like
Maybe do you have a slide about your marketing and sponsorship strategy in your presentation? You can show it now.
sponsors.
Yeah, it could be great.
Okay.
Can you give access for our teammate to show our 3D model?
Yeah. His name is Big Bot Sithan. And also for Cylinder Arnor also.
Just want to remind you that you have 1 minute and 15 seconds for the
Can
Q&A.
you give access
To whom? To whom?
Nur Mohammed, can you repeat their names?
Big Bot Sithan, he said that he will present the 3D model. Big Bot Sithan.
Okay, Big Bullet Sithan. Okay, I did it.
Can you give me
permission?
Can you see it? Hello.
Yeah, you can see it. You can also say something about your bolide, like present details.
Oh, it's our first опыт, and we experience, and we know it's ну, не лучший вариант, типа, that is not, ой, неплохой результат, грубо говоря.
Okay, I think that's it for the Q&A session. If all the judges finish their
Can
questions.
I consider his speech?
Okay.
So as we said before, we said that we will use ABS plastic for our bolide, and we make like the form of our bolide like
So I think it's I think the time is going because we have another team to present. So I think that's basically it.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you so much for this presentation. And who the next presenters? Gigatronics. Please say me who are the team representative and who will be showing.
You can unpin me.
Okay,
Hello,
well,
this is Team Gigatronics, and we will be presenting all. We have just met up in one place.
we're gonna do our presentation from one account. So can we share our screen, please?
Okay, I did it.
Let me just share it. Yeah. So it's entire screen and share. Let me just.
Okay.
There is
Great.
a restriction. Yeah. Let me just. Put this.
Do judges see our participant Gigatronics?
Yes.
We are here. Yeah.
Yeah, I just spotlighted you. Great. Okay,
I
just
need
say
to-
when you're ready because we are having our timings. I will start counting your time.
Okay, can you see our screen right now?
Yes, we are seeing all of this. I think judge is also seeing your screen.
Okay, that's
Okay.
great. And let us
Okay.
just and let me hide our Zoom tab and let us yeah. So
Okay, your time is going now. 6 minutes to
every team today has their own goal to win, but ours is simple. We want to put Kazakhstan on a podium it has never stood on before. Dear judges, we are Gigatronics, and let us start with our team manager.
Thanks, Kirill. And now let me introduce our team and their designated roles. I'm Abu Bakr, the team manager, with previous background in project leadership and roles and debate. Then we have our design engineers, Ziaz and Rehan, who have major experience as current national champions in the robotics VEX competition. Next is sponsorship lead Abul Khair, who served a similar position in a charity organization. Then we have Imantai, our manufacturing engineer, who specialized in 3D printing and interned in a design agency. Last but not least, Kirill, the marketing lead, who manages social media for local businesses and a well-known streamer. Let's pass over to my dear friend Alhan.
Thank you, Abu Bakr. Our engineered concepts involve some very advanced math and physics behind them. But today, I'll break down all of these aerodynamics into intuitive and understandable visuals. Let's begin from the front of our car. As seen on the diagram, what sets us apart from others is our unique, advantageous geometry of the nose. Our concept spreads the high pressure over the longer nose, opposed to concentrating the pressure at the tip, like others do. This reduces drag while using the same physics principles like a bullet. Now, I'll pass over to Abu Bakr.
Our second concept is the underfloor Venturi feature, as air accelerates through a CNC machine converging hourglass shape through on the bottom of the car. It reduces pressure and generates a downforce on the car, as the rear diffusers rises at a 7 to 12 degree upsweep angle, expanding the flow, helping to recover pressure and shrink the wave, resulting in lower pressure drag and improved efficiency. Let's get back to Alejandro.
Moving to the rear end of our car, instead of using the common cuboid shape that opposes airflow, our shape is catered to smoothly pass through the air, reducing drag. This is exactly the structure at the frontier of technology, as this is the same shape observed in bridge engineering to this day. On to the next slide, our final concept, dimpled body surface. As a design engineer, I have thought, why could we not apply the same physics behind the golf ball to our car? You can imagine our car as being an elongated golf ball that flies through the track. And due to the dimples, we're able to fly further and faster. Let's go to the following slide. You can see our full project timeline in detail in the following Gantt chart. Now I'll pass over to Jas.
Thank you, Alejandro. You may wonder how high schoolers were able to come up with these highly advanced concepts. Well, we combine our strong STEM experience from VEX and countless hours researching aerodynamic concepts, ensuring we can apply them to make the best car possible. If you want to take a deeper dive into our engineering portfolio or our research process, you can find our portfolio in the email we sent you and our bibliography as the last slide of this presentation. Now, let me move on to the enterprise side. Despite the fact that we are currently in our external examination period, we are very proud to say that our identity, Gigatronics, revolves around us being big Formula One fans, specifically the Ferrari team, which is why we chose this color palette to represent our brand. Our main goal as a team is to win and represent Kazakhstan at the Singapore World Finals. And for that to happen, we plan to raise about $8,525. Let me pass on to Imatai for our sponsorship strategy.
Thank you, Dinas. Welcome to the sponsorship strategy of Team Gigatronics. Our name fuses the brave Kazakh horseman with the technical self-extronics. It's a signal of bold, innovative engineering from Kazakhstan and captures our main mission, making it to the World Final. Because courage and boldness drives our team, we sought out corporate partners who share this exact ideology and have helped empower STEM and Kazakhstan in the past. The filtering process led us to a highly targeted group of brands, out of which BI Group, Mia Group, and Bank Center Credit are agreed to negotiate. What do we offer? Powerful target visibility. Partner logos will take center stage on our team apparel, and when we advance to the World Finals, their brand will be visible to over 40 plus nations. As already, in fact, one of our members already commands over 50,000 followers on TikTok. This expertise will help us engage and drive our community and help improve STEM in Kazakhstan. As our audience grows, the benefits to our partners multiply. Thank you.
But where exactly do the dollars go? Let me pass on to Abdul Hayr.
Moving on to our allocation of funds, we distribute our budget across 5 main categories: flights, accommodation, transport and registration fee, components, and visits. On the left, you can see a detailed breakdown of each line item, including the specific cost and the sponsor responsible for covering it. Every expense has been accounted for and assigned to a named sponsor, leaving us with a surplus of $375 from our total cost of $8,150.
Wait. $8,000? That's so much. How are we gonna raise that?
Wait, relax. $8,000 might sound like a lot until you actually plan it. As Gigatronics marketing leader, that was my problem to solve. And my answer was simple: make it impossible not to support us. So we've built a website. It is fully functional and it is live right now. Every judge, every sponsor, every fan can go there and see our aerodynamics, renders, budget plan, everything in one place. And speaking of renders, I'll let Dia show you something that we're especially proud of.
Our 3D design was made in Blender. With access to the latest technology, the CNC Glowforge printer, we were able to achieve wonderful results, applying all the previously mentioned aerodynamic concepts. And again, we were doing this all during our examination period on very short notice about the competition. Despite this, we were able to produce a prototype of our CAD. On our website, viewers have the unique ability to interactively check our 3D CAD along with our concepts. You can even turn on the airflow feature to see how concepts actually impact the car. Additionally, towards the bottom of the website, you can view the actual renders from Blender or the 3D rotational reveal of the car. Back to Kirill now.
Thank you, Tias. But a great website isn't just a portfolio, it is a fundraising engine. We believe individual support matters just as much as corporate sponsorship because there are thousands of people who would want to help us. So we built a shop with all of the following products that are directly orderable through our website. And we're planning to drive traffic through the Instagram. We should be able to find
sorry, your time for presentation is up. Thank you for that. So now you're having 4 minutes for a Q&A session, which time goes by now.
Thank you.
Okay, regarding sponsorship and marketing, guys, I'm impressed, really impressed, and you made really great job. So I have a lot of questions, a lot. So I think 4 minutes is not enough, but I think we will discuss it soon.
Okay, all right. Are there any questions we can answer right now?
Can you please show your 3D model in your CAD program or Blender where you made it?
It is our 3D model is available and we made it through Blender CAD, and our design engineer will show it to you right now. Also, the 3D model, as you've seen, is accessible directly through our website, and we will share our link to our website later. And here is the model that we have made in Blender. And our design engineers have professional expertise in Vex robotics competitions. So, and also, as you can see, we have applied every feature that we were talking about. So, for example, here at the top rear of the car, there are tiny dimples just right at the top of the car, which our previous member was talking about. We have also applied the rear car engine with a bottom of being having an uplift angle of 7 to 12 degrees, which helps to reduce pressure. And our 3D render is also could be also seen in real life, as we have printed this using 3D printers that are accessible in our school.
May I ask a question?
Yes, sure.
You use only Blender?
Yes. Yeah, for that we have used Blender, and also I've used personally.
So we integrated Sketchfab tools onto Blender to sort of widen our capabilities through Blender. But mainly, yeah, it was just Blender.
Yeah.
My question, why does the Blender program have CAD system functions? Because Blender it's more specific for designers, not for CAD. Before you say you use for CNC milling for make your car. How it's possible in Blender? It's more design program.
Yes, so we integrated Sketchfab tools. That's an external website, and that allows us to use a sort of CAD tools on the software.
And also in Blender, there's a function of dimensions which have helped us to build the model right exactly for the dimensions that we want to. And also using the Bamboo Lab Studio, which is a program for our 3D printers, we're able to upload the model and specifically and then cut it for printing. We have also used Fusion 360 for the dimensions correction check, just to make sure that all of the dimensions and all of the shapes and forms will be printed correctly.
How you test? How you will test the model?
We'll test the model using ANSYS Fluent CFD. This is a program that allows us to simulate airflow and to check if our drag targets, that the reduction drag targets, are met through our design.
We will use CFD testing and A/B testing to use our concepts and incorporate them and check the differences.
I don't have question.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I have one more question.
Yes, sure.
So my question is, what personal skill? So did you teach from this project that you didn't have before?
I think yes. Have you used Blender before a lot?
Yes, so I mean, I've used Blender a lot before, but for me personally, one thing I have taken away from this project was how to cooperate with your teammates under time pressure. So as mentioned previously, we've only found out about this competition on very short notice, and we are currently on our external examination period. So while we were working on this presentation, there have been a lot
for interrupting, but the time for Q&A is up. So yeah, thank you for the Gigatronics team to present that. That was really nice and great presentation. So, okay, thank you so much. So the next team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, the next team would be, just give me a second. The next team is Q Racing. Could you please name me your representative and I will give the permission? Q Racing team.
It's me, Alikhan.
It's Alikhan, okay. Alikhan. Only you need the permission. Okay, okay, I gave the permission. Your time will go in 10
Do you
seconds.
see?
No. We don't see anything. Is there any problem?
Well, I am showing right now the presentation.
Did you share your screen? Because our time is going. I just gave you the permission. Can you share your screen?
Maybe someone else from your team can share the presentation.
One second. No.
Okay, we are now seeing that you started screen sharing. Okay, now we are seeing. So I will start.
Okay.
Are you ready? I will start counting the time. 1. Just give me one thing to do. I hope everyone sees Ali Khan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Your time is going.
Good morning, judges. We are Q Racing team, so it's a big honor to be here and present our team because it's the first year for Qazaqstan in STEM racing, and we had no examples and built our model from zero. So now I want to represent our team, me, team captain and main manager, Sultan. Then Sahif Medet is the team main engineer. Kim Artur translator and drawing manager, Kulumbetov Arsen, engineering and analyst, Malik Asran, team SMM manager, and Ali Khan is team documentary who made our portfolio. So our name of the team has two meanings. First one is quick, and other one is Kazakh for our national pride.
To ensure we put the best in our performance, we were proactively international in our approach while staying deep in our culture. That's why our logo that features the blue color of the Kazakhstan flag depicts a horse, a symbol of speed and strength for our people, with its mane stylized to look like the racing tracks. And this combination of the natural heritage and the cutting-edge technology on biomimicry. We are very excited to show you our process of making and engineering the racing car.
Okay, so let's talk about our 3D model. Well, our car was not built in one day. We had to test, fail, and improve many times. First, we drew sketches on paper to plan the weight and aerodynamics. Then we moved to the virtual lab and tried to redraw this like sketch on paper to the digital space. So to be honest, it was our first time 3D modeling. That's why we used AI and some YouTube tutorials to learn programs like Autodesk Fusion faster. And we made many different models, always thinking about how we will actually build the car. For example, our unpainted 3D model has a very exact total length of 211.92 millimeters. It was very hard to follow all the strict rules of the competition. To make the car faster and reduce air turbulence, we added a special front wing system. As you can see on the screen, it has parts like main plane, then flaps and end plates. They work like upside down airplane wings to push the car down onto the track and to not fly into the air like a plane. So let's talk about.
So our main idea was biomimicry. It's learning from the nature. We discovered that the tune is one of the fastest and most efficient creatures in nature, using small fins to move through water with minimal resistance. We took its shape as our foundation, and we created a tune's curves in our 3D model. Turning a natural form into an actual racing car was no easy task. We tested various solutions, extending the gas canister compartment and directing airflow under the car. In the end, we created a car with natural aerodynamics so that truly feels through the air.
So we also wanted to share our project, STEM racing, with as many people as possible. To do this, we created a clear digital strategy with 8 steps because this is an important year for Kazakhstan. We post everything about our work on our Instagram, QRacing.team. We share our drawings, our mistakes, our work, and our successes to inspire other students to try STEM projects. Our goal right now is to get 1,000 followers and reach the finals. This social media work helped us to find sponsors, so we create a system where everyone wins. Companies give us money and materials, and we advertise their brands at an international level. Because of this, we got support from great partners, our title sponsor Red Bull Kazakhstan, and our gold sponsor Kaz Minerals.
And to conclude everything, AI and teachers from our school helped us set our marketing goals and overall learn new programs like Fusion 360. But it also was our team's creativity, hard work, and teamwork that actually built this car and our brand. We started with literally nothing and with only 2 weeks left, but we're really proud of what we have created and done. Thank you again for your time and letting us present here, and we're ready to answer your questions.
Okay, great. So now you have 4 minutes for your Q&A session.
Okay, let me be first. I saw Kaz Minerals as a potential or actual sponsor of this team, but as I know, Kaz Minerals is a B2B company, so they don't sell their products to normal people. But what can your team offer to Kaz Minerals to promote their brand, international, local level, and how can you bring them to your team? What can you offer to them?
So we talk with their representatives. We can give them like the popularity not only at Kazakhstan but at all the world. So what we want of them, just like the help, money that they will give us to fly to Singapore. I think Sultan wants to add something.
So we connected with some managers from this Kaz Minerals company. We connected them, so they said that they really like our project, and they support our project at this moment without money.
Well, to be honest,
Okay.
it's like a Red Bull.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I see here two very different sponsors. So Red Bull, they sell cans with soda, and Kaz Minerals, they sell natural minerals. So two very different sponsors. So I really interested how you merge these two really different companies, unique companies in one project, and it's really interesting to hear your ideas about such collaboration with two very different companies. Okay, so I let my colleagues from technical part.
Please, can you show your 3D model?
Of course. Can you please give me a permission for sharing?
So while you're sharing, can I ask you, in which grades are you studying? Because you look so young.
We are 8th graders from Nish in Almaty. So yes, we are all 14 years old, and I think we are the youngest participants here.
Thank
Excuse me, do you see my screen?
Yes.
So here is our 3D model. As can you see, we have the front wings and the back wings for the better aerodynamics. Like this thing helps car not to fly into the air like a plane. So as I said, and that's how our cars looks like.
So I have a question. What modeling techniques did you use to surface quality and aerodynamic smoothness?
Modeling techniques.
We use some programs like seam scale, something like that, to see the wind turbulence and drag. So after that, we added this rear wings and wings, so to reduce the turbulence from the front wheels and reduce the drag from our old car.
The time for Q&A is up, so yes. That's it
Thank
for
you
that.
very much.
Hey,
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
your presentation. It was great to hear. So I am inviting the Hunter Greed team. Who are the representatives?
Hello.
Okay, what's your name? Could you say? in the Zoom?
Hello, my name is Amina. Sorry, we show you presentation. Demonstrate.
Okay.
Demonstrates.
Car name in Zoom.
I mean, what's your name in the Zoom? Could you say that because I need to give your permission for
In
co-hosting?
car. In Zoom. In car.
In car. Okay.
In car.
Okay,
We
I
can't-
am giving your co-host permission, and your presentation time is going. Okay, I think I ready.
Sorry.
Okay, your
Do you see
presentation time.
presentation? Do you see
Yeah,
presentation?
I think we
Okay.
see. Yes, we all see.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now,
Hello.
sorry, I don't see it. Do everyone
You
see
see?
the presentation?
I have blur screen.
Yeah, the same. I have the blue screen.
Yeah, mine is also blurred.
Yeah.
So just
black screen.
Yes, we don't have the screen now. It's black.
Oh.
Yeah. We see.
You see? You see?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Can you make it full screen?
Full screen, okay. You see?
No, blurred screen.
You see?
It's again blurred.
Oh my.
Скачайте PDF.
Oh boy.
Maybe because.
Okay, please be a little bit faster as our time is going.
Did you see now?
Yeah, but not full
May-
screen.
When we. Okay.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, I guess it's also fine.
It's fine?
Well, let's start
Okay,
your
good.
presentation now.
Okay.
Your 6 minutes goes by now.
Okay. Sorry. Dear judges, we are pleased to present our project to you. My name is Amina and I'm project manager of the team Han Tengri STEM Racing team from BTCS Bibigul Turgenov Creative School. It's our team.
Hello, my name is Ayana. I'm responsible for media and marketing, and on this slide you can see our team identity, our car library, our logo and merchandise, create a constant and recognizable style. We focus on modern and dynamic design that reflects speed and innovation. Our social media highlights creativity and teamwork, while our uniforms are simple, professional, and comfortable. In terms of management, our project is based on planning, collaboration, and clear communication. Each members has responsibilities on their strengths that improves each overall efficiency. Marketing strategy is about social media.
Hello, my name is Ida. I'm the marketing strategy, and like essential part of every team is a sponsorship. We don't write so much information because it's main in our engineering book. So we have 4 packages called silver, bronze, and the product sponsorship. It depends on what company can give us. And we will receive brand promotion through our social media as Instagram, TikTok, events, and the team visibility. And our approach includes direct communications, meetings online, and the clear sponsorship plan. This one. No, project management. The project will be based on the management theories of efficiency, and that include proper planning as a grand chart and collaborations with other teams and the companies, and the process of risk management also we have.
Hello, my name is Ankar and I'm responsible for the engineering part of our team. And today I will tell you about our car development. So we focus on the drag force and we analyze it by the formula that you can see on the screen. It depends on the air density, speed, drag coefficient, and frontal area. So we mainly worked with frontal area, and our first design had the largest frontal area, 3,000 millimeters square, and poor shape, causing turbulence and low efficiency. So in the second design, we reduced area and improved performance, but it was still not enough. And our last design, third design, was the most efficient with the smaller frontal area of 2,500 millimeters square. And it had the smooth airflow, reducing drag and increasing downforce.
Hello, my name is Yerlan. I'm responsible for CAD design. We improved design step by step. First design was simple and poor aerodynamics. Second design was better but not still perfect. Final design was smooth shape, low drag, and good downforce.
Okay. We do CFD analysis, what's performance for sim racing car in the competition. CFD analysis drag is equal 0.54 and pressure 239. High pressure at the front, turbulence in the rear, shape optimized reduced drag and improved efficiency car. Ой. Okay.
Hello, my name is Dana. I'm engineer, manufacturing and assembly. The chassis is 3D printed from durable PTG plastic with a 0.15 millimeters layer height for strength and a smooth surface finish. The axles are made from 3 millimeters steel wire, cut to the required length and polished at the ends to reduce friction. The wheels are 3D printed from PLA with a finer 0.1 millimeters layer height, and then sanded to improve filling efficiency. During manufacturing, we follow safety regulations such as wearing safety glasses and...
Sorry, your time is up. So now you have 4 minutes for a Q&A session from our judges, and the time goes by now.
How many iterations of the 3D model were there?
We have 3 iteration. Three design iterations.
Please, can you show last 3D model?
Last 3D model. It's our last 3D model.
You don't show the screen.
You see?
No.
Oh, no, okay.
Why? You can see the screen?
No.
No, we cannot.
Why?
We also have the same question. So
Okay, can I ask a short question? We are still waiting 3D model.
Our last design.
We listen.
Yeah, you mentioned Instagram and TikTok as your key platforms for marketing, but why you choose social media, or you also plan to develop your project in other, like, more classic media?
We choose this media because it's now
It's popular.
It's
in
popular
Kazakhstan.
in
We started from the
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan and we then goes to other countries.
Yeah.
And we also have like attention on the threads.
Threads,
It's kind of
yes.
popular on Instagram and give us
It's
more,
popular in Kazakhstan. All Kazakhstan hear this
more audience
yes,
in this app.
these apps, and we
Okay,
start from
understood.
Kazakhstan.
Thank you.
Question about
Oh,
3D
yeah.
model. In which software do you use for the making 3D model?
We use a Fusion, but now
We don't have the laptop when we were in the fusion.
yes.
We don't
has
have
been
it now.
has been in a school.
Yes.
The whole team.
Okay.
I guess I heard that your school already sent someone to STEM racing in the world.
Yes.
Not as STEM racing, but in our school we had some STEM activities like VX, FTC, and others, and we all had experience in this competitions. Yes, and participating.
So you haven't participated in STEM racing because, like, I went to a school and I saw the track and some cars for STEM racing.
No, we haven't participated, but we
We
have the track.
We already have a track for STEM racing.
Yeah, I've seen it. Nice.
It's for it's like it's very good for the preparation. Yes.
What else?
Do you have more questions?
No, I understood regarding marketing. You have potential. Can you tell me maybe several words about your marketing strategy? Do you have some plan, or
Yes,
you just...
yes, of course, we had some plan, marketing strategy. Our main mission is green. Did you see?
Yeah.
Okay, our main mission is promote our team, attract sponsors, and inspire interest in STEM.
So
and
sorry,
we-
your time is up for the Q&A. We are moving to the next team. Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
See you. Thank you so much. So the next team, Jet, the Jet team. Please, could you say who is the
Hello,
representative?
my name
Okay.
is Mansur and I am Jet Captain.
Okay, should I do it? Okay, you see echo.
What?
I hear. Okay, so I gave you permission to show your presentation, so you're more than welcome to present.
Okay.
Okay, your time will go. If you're ready, your time will go by now.
Can you switch your demonstration screen?
What?
I can't.
Okay, who is the organizer? Could you say their name in Zoom?
I can't show screen. This says organizers is off the screen for
Now can you do
students.
that? Could you do it now?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay, great. So your time
Can you see
is
screen?
it starts sharing. So okay, now we are seeing your screen.
Okay.
So okay,
The
your time
first
goes now.
I tell about those pupils who in Jet team. First, my name is Mansur and I am the captain and 3D modeler. Dimash is social media divisions, Yildana is designer. And engineers Yenlik, Janbek, Ayaulum. And words to Ayaulum. Ayaulum, you hear?
Hello, my name is Elm. I'm team engineer. I want to show how assemblies an engineer portfolio for our recent changes. The main idea of this book was to show our journeys of creating a high-performance race car for the team racing competition. To make this happen, I chose Canva as a tool for design. I picked some professional templates and tailored them with our team logo so they would be as clean of clear as our climb line of sight. A picture on the book is about the pictures, about this the renders of our model, which we did first of digital prototypes. There are also digital driving for fusions, showing the car front, top, sides, and front view. Thank you for listening.
Now says words to Yelena.
Hello, my name is Eldana, and I'm an engineer and also designer of our team, Jet team. I do a logo, and when I developed it, I try to do it more minimalistic, but also keep it short and sweet, and that's it. And now I wanna to give a voice also again to Mansour.
Well, you can see also concept of our model. I'm show the model in Fusion. This is our model final variant. Everyone knows to create 3D model, we need to find a reference. First, my first reference is this bullet from tutorial on YouTube of one of the track. I'm look at this model and know all regulars and I understand. This is my first prototype of our model. This is their model in two places. You can actually see how models inside. So actually we can retrieve our profession. You can see the rotation. And we have the managing strategy. It is I created these slides for investors. You can see all of parameters of this slide. And also I created the website to check the aerodynamics. Can you see the voxels around the 3D models? These simulations will be changed by voxels. This is red lines, it is the air. And this changes our model and we can know 3D aerodynamics. Well, this is done. Do you have questions?
Okay, thank you so much. So if you're done, I will give you 4 minutes, which goes by now, for the Q&A.
What's the name of the you use for aerodynamics testing?
Aerodynamic testings.
Yeah, what's the program?
This is programs made by me. Actually, I'm users Slim Flow and 3D Compass. It is commercial CFD programs to aerodynamics.
Okay, but can you tell several words about your marketing strategy, maybe about your plans to work with sponsors? How do you promote your team in internet or in normal media?
We have social media in Instagram and TikTok.
But do you have any structured plan to do it, or you just make your Instagram, TikTok accounts and share your materials and team in media?
We cannot hear you, Mansoor.
Hello.
Hello, do you hear me now?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. First, yes, we have a plan to marketing. We have numbers of freedom, and because he's our sponsors on FTC command.
Can you
What
call
sponsorship
the name?
do you have any sponsors? And how did you approach finding them?
Now we have main sponsors from from our school, and our plan is to attract more sponsors. And for now, it's all done. Can I give a voice again to Mansoor?
Do you have more questions?
Can you come back to your recensia? I didn't understand why you put it.
Recensia?
Yeah.
Yes,
Like
and
what exactly
We
it says?
asked questions to professor in Kyrgyzstan, and he's have our feedback on our comment.
Which
No,
university?
we found out. In Kostanay there is a student team.
So your time is up. Thank you for the presentation.
Thank you too.
Okay, great. Okay, why it's still sharing my screen? Okay. Okay, great. Now I'm inviting the next team, which is Laniaki. Am I spelling it right?
Ладняки.
Laniakia, okay. I am now giving you the rights for you to present, and you're having. Do you share your screen? Just tell me when you're ready.
Do you see it?
Yeah, we see it. We see it.
Okay. So
Okay,
let's begin.
your time for presentation goes by now.
So hello everyone, we are Lanyaki team. So starting with our team members, me, I'm Rahman. I'm a manager of all this project of the Steam Racing, and Bolat, he is an engineer and a CAD manager, and Vlad, he is a data manager, who searches and does some research. So let's start regards to the project goals. We are since we are a rookie team, we are planning to simplify everything and to design a model with lowest drag coefficiency. So and to find appropriate like the uh, the allies and some supporters from others. So yeah. Regards to the inspirations, we are planning to use the nose of the turns big, which can improve the aerodynamic drag by 5 to 15%. And the recent innovation by the Ferrari, which is a Macarena wing, so it rotates 270 degrees, and that gives us 4 to 8% reduction in the straight line in the drag coefficient, and it gives us a lot more speed in the straight line. And we are planning to add the 2020 Mercedes DAS system, which gives us 0.1 and 2 seconds per lap in the straight line, and it gave dominated the 2020 season. So yeah.
Greetings, my name is Bulat and I'm responsible for 3D models. So regarding the main criteria, our vehicle must have a streamlined and aerodynamic body shape, and also all components should be optimized for a lightweight performance, and we aim to make front structure sharp and efficient. So about 3D models, it's expected that there would be approximately 5 design iteration before finalizing the model, and each version will be improved based on aerodynamic testing simulation results. So my first prototype, we name it Hilo. So prototype. What is prototype? Prototype is a preliminary model used to test ideas, function, and design before the final. And the lengths, widths, height, chamber depths of prototype lengths to 200 millimeters, widths 50 millimeters, and the height 48 millimeters, chamber depth 49. And the main problem we faced when we created this prototype is that sharp transition in the boxy shapes, which cause airflow turbulence and the increase in drag.
So our solution is to optimize everything we can, and we are planning to add some Macarena wing. And in the recent Miami Sprint qualifying, which was today in the morning, the Ferraris which had this wing was faster with the speed of 6 to 7 kilometers per hour. So yeah.
Sponsorship strategy. We collaborate with local business that supports STEM and engineering development. Sponsors Gasar logo placement and mention while we gain support to grow our project. Our goal is long-term partnership. Primary sponsor, our main sponsor is Entech Academy. They cover all material and manufacturing costs, allowing us to focus on development and performance.
So why Nyakea? Our team should represent our country in Singapore because we all had started with from scratch. Even me, I didn't know much about this topic, and and Bulat, he was zero at CAD modeling, but with the help of STEM Racing, we are uh, focusing on learning something new and to represent our country in the international stage and turn knowledge into practical results. And that gives us opportunities to find more and do more.
So we use the tools and softwares like Blender, Fusion, and the ChatGPT.
So in
So your
conclusion,
time is up. Thank you so much. Now you're having a Q&A sessions.
Okay.
Can you show your last model? In presentation, you showed only first prototype, Hilo, but not showing the last model, 3D model.
Actually, we don't have a final model, as you know. We were running out of time, so this is the first model. I'm showing this, I guess. No. So that's only a prototype, which was from scratch in the rush. Yeah.
Okay.
How are you planning to develop your skills in 3D modeling?
Yeah, actually, I'm planning to to learn new instruments, new tools in Fusion, and like this year is like we are planning to participate in STEM Racing also next year, and like this year is our more like experimental.
So, any other questions?
Yep. Can you tell me a little bit more about your sponsorship and marketing strategy? So you have only one opportunity for sponsor to place logo, or what you think, how you maybe can make some BTL instruments used in your project or something else?
So as we mentioned before, our main sponsor is Entech Academy, which supports everything connected to the STEM. So in the of and the also the first legal league and the FTC, all that kinds of activities supports our academy. So yeah, and I guess we will plan to expand our supporters.
Okay. So any other questions regarding the technical side of this project, colleagues?
Okay.
No, I don't have question another.
If I remember only one thing about your team, what would it be?
Can you repeat, please?
If I remember only one thing about your team, what would it be? Like one word that define your team.
Time, full process.
That's a good question, you know. Maybe just a collocation like from the scratch or some and
Your time is up for this Q&A session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
yes,
Goodbye.
thank you for goodbye.
The deadline of portfolio is today, yeah? Including, I guess, yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, now I invite the Nomad Racing team, if they're here. Nomad Racing team. Who is the representative? Nomad Racing team.
Maybe Kermbekov, not Nomad.
What?
Kermbekov.
Okay. Yeah. Again?
Kermbekov. Our team, we registered. I write Nomad Racers.
Yeah, there's Nomad Racers and Nomad Racing.
Oh.
Nomad Racing team.
Hello.
I'm Nomad Racers, or you're Alash? You're?
We're Nomad Racers. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll give you the permission. Okay. Can you share your screen?
Wait, are you Nomad Racing or Nomad Racers? Because they're
We are
two
Nomad
different-
Racing.
Okay.
Nomad Racing. Yes,
Yeah.
Nomad Racing. Okay, I see. Nomad Racing. So, okay.
Was lagging a bit.
Okay, so. Okay, your time goes now. Good luck.
Hello, everyone. My name is Zabik Shanaf, and I'm the team manager for Nomad Racing. And my main role is to keep everything and everyone on track, where everyone manages deadlines. When I also coordinate submissions and make sure all parts of our projects come together smoothly. And throughout this project, I've worked closely with the department, everyone here, to ensure we stay organized and focused, as well as especially under pressure. And in a competition like this, strong teamwork and time management are just as important as engineering itself. And prior to this competition, we had a lot of projects together, so we believe that our chemistry is good. And one of the main reasons why we created Nomad Racing is due to our passion to Formula One and physics. So yeah, and then we go to the next slide. 1 second. Yeah, here. These are our planned sponsors as well as our Instagram page, which we're gonna promote our team from our Instagram here, nomadracing.kz. And these are our sponsors, which are Gorilla, Halyk Bank, Erastana, Asta Motors, and Kazakh Telecom that we're planning to have. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello everyone, so I'm Ali Akmanbet and I'm the graphic designer for Nomad Racing. My primary role was to translate our team's nomadic spirit into a professional visual brand, which are our shirts. I designed our logo to blend cultural heritage with speed, utilizing a streamlined form and a specific palette of gold, navy blue, and cyan. For team wear, I used the Ohio platform to create a jersey that is both striking and functional, ensuring our Nomad Racing wordmark and sponsor logos like Halyk Bank, Gorilla Energy, and Kazakh Telecom are visible. My work across these slides was um, was to create the pit display and to show our team identity. In addition, Nomad Racing is a cohesive professional team that honors our Kazakh roots while pushing for engineering excellence. Thank you for your time, and now I'll pass it on to Roland to furthermore talk about our teamwork in detail.
Hello, everyone. My name is Roland Desembin, and as the design manager, I was responsible for both creating the teamwear kits, as you can see, and the car design as well. So my job in the teamwear kits was to create our color palette, which was already there. It consists of yellow and dark blue that resembles our Kazakh culture and Kazakh identity. Moving on to the car, I'll pass on to Derjan. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Darjan Bajanov. I'm the manufacturing engineer for Nomad Racing. So this is a blueprint that we created and found. So it explains a lot of features that we can use to have lower drag and maybe sometimes higher downforce. I'll explain some situations. I'll explain some parts, such as we have the front wing to have more smooth aerodynamics, and also end plates, which allow us to have higher downforce.
Hello, my name is Alaz Shumabek. I am the manufacturing engineer and also the financial manager. So these are the materials that we're going to use. And now I want to provide the logic and the component on why we chose these materials. First of all, body. We chose model board because it's light, easily shaped, and low skin friction. Wheels, we wanted light, low rolling resistance, and adaptable shape. For wing, we wanted light, small, glued for easy swapping and testing. And for axles, we chose solid, smooth, and low friction. And finally, our finish. We chose primer and acrylic paint for easy and primer, which gives a flat surface and keeps dust down. Now, I want to talk about our financial budget. Our whole total budget is 4,780,000 tenge, and our USD is 10,450. Now, most of our budget goes to travel and competition because the one-way stop is very expensive and really important. Now, I want to say how we're going to get those sponsorships. First of all, we're going to post videos and sponsor our account on our school, which is Haley Berry, and further get more sponsorships by contacting them. Hello, I wanted to talk about, again, repeat our car design. This is our prototype Nomad 01. Just to quickly summarize and recap, we have the blue and yellow design, which resembles our flag of the Kazakh, like our identity. As you can see, our brand is here. And yeah, just to recap, to visualize how the car will look. Thank you.
Here we have our aerodynamic design and material strategy. So our strategy is basically there are two main types of drag, which is air friction and induced.
Sorry, your time is up. So you now have 4 minutes for the Q&A session. Okay, your time for Q&A goes now.
Okay, let me be first. So in your presentation, you mentioned, for example, Gorilla and Halyk Bank as potential sponsor. But do you have separated negotiation strategy for each of them, or you have one strategy, one message for any sponsor? Maybe can you make some short example?
For example, maybe for Gorilla Energy, we can talk, for example, like Red Bull in the West, we can talk that it's for youthful energy, like for youthful people, and how they want to promote their product on our young population, as energy drinks are mostly circulated on them. And it's like a youthful drink, which can also represent our youthful sport.
And Halyk Bank?
Halyk Bank, I think, it's a banking company. So they would like to also promote themselves to the future world, as we're going to Singapore. That's affecting every company, I think, as we'll be represented in the whole in Singapore to the whole world, which will make them have more representation.
Yeah, we call it B2B ROI. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Sorry, can you show your 3D model in
Sure.
program maybe, if you have?
On Blender, because we did it on Blender.
Yes, you can show it on the Blender.
We can show it through the big screen because we're connected to a different laptop. Can we show it through the big screen?
Okay, I have a few questions about your car material. You said that you will be use material board, or how it's model board.
Yes.
Do you know how to work with this material?
I have some broad understanding. It uses like a 3D printer. Although I'm not really into depth in that, my plan is if we do get chosen, I'll understand it more and then we can build through it. But I just have a broad understanding for now.
Okay, one more question. Can you turn back to the 3D model?
This one?
Yes. Do you think that it is possible to make a small model of the car like this one?
I think it's quite
Yes.
possible. It's definitely possible.
Yes, it's definitely possible using the CNC printer.
Do you saw other team's car? Because this one, I think, very hard design to make it.
We believe like using the 3D modeling that we have, which is Blender, we can get the different parts and connect them using, glue. And by this, we can make a real prototype. And of course, we're gonna look at it and look at the, defects and work on it so that is more efficient and more aerodynamic. So we believe it is definitely possible.
Okay.
This model you make or you download it from internet?
No, we made it.
We made it. Yeah, it was heavily inspired by the actual 2026 Formula One car season. So that's why. It looks very resembling to the
One short question about Gorilla. What do you think about negative association about kids with Gorilla energy drink? Because in Kazakhstan, close for sale Gorilla or another energy drink for kids.
Yes.
Sorry, time for Q&A is up. Okay, thank you so much. Now we have 5 minutes break. Thank you for the team Nomad Racing, right? Thank you so much. So now we're having 5 minutes break, and after 5 minutes break, we'll continue with another team.
Okay. Thank you very
much. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Yeah, short comment to our colleagues judged about Gorilla, Red Bull, and Monster. So I think today we will see a lot of mentions of energy drinks in teams' presentations, but it's okay because team members consider it like traditional motorsport sponsors. Yes, I guess it will be prohibited in normal kids motorsport sponsorship. But let's be honest. I think we'll see Red Bull and Gorilla as potential sponsor a lot of times, but we'll discuss with teams that maybe it will be prohibited as sponsor. But about Kazakh Telecom, Halyk Bank, Kaz Minerals, etc., it's okay.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Hello.
Yes, I'm online.
Okay, we are Nomad Racers. Should we start?
You will be. So now you're not. You will be after the another team. So now we're having a 5 minutes break.
All right.
After the break, the Akosh F1 team will present. Then we will go to the next.
So when are we planning to start? Is it like
11, 12, 15?
Uh,
I guess 12:05.
yeah, 12:05.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So teams, judges, please start coming. So we'll start in 2 minutes.
I'm here.
Okay, so now our next team is Akosh F1. Am I right? Am I spelling it right? I hope.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, Akosh F1. I'm now giving. Wait. I'm sorry. My English. Are all judges here? Max,
I'm
Beksultan.
solo.
I'm
Yes.
here.
Okay,
Yes, I'm here.
Alukron, are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, now everyone's here. Now I'll give you the access and we'll start, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I gave you access. Can you share the presentation?
So,
okay, just give
you
me a
see?
second. Okay, I see. I hope judges also see the presentation. I think they see it. Okay, now your time is going now.
Hello, everyone. And I can Akosh, this is a Akosh F1 team. The team is professional from Kazakhstan, founded in 2026. The team was created by me, Ali Arafat, with the goal of bringing Kazakhstan to the global level of motorsport. There we can see the logo, the car, and there's a pilots, but they're close. Okay, there's Max Verstappen and Fernando Alonso, our pilot, and we can see our bolide, and the decision was taken from 2024 Formula One season, but I don't copy it. I was inspired by the Mercedes team, the exterior designs, and currently the now Audi F1 team is debuting. Our drivers will be Max Verstappen and Alonso. They will become champions again in these cars. And our engineering and mm, okay. So I will our engineering. I will take the Toto Wolff. This is a Mercedes engineer into the team. He is currently a genius of the aerodynamic and the engineering. He creates cars, bolides, they lights up every year. So this is a first look of our team. This is our box, our team decision, how our body driving in the track. The uniqueness of the team lies in the fact that it was created by a 60 years old founder, making a symbol of the ambition, courage, and a new generation. There is a link to look 3D design. We'll introduce. Or, well, this is a bullet, our bullet, and thanks AI, now all our fantasies and imagination can be realized. As we can see, our cast has been worked out to the smallest details. and has good downforce, and we can consider our car one of the most beautiful in the world. Like we see. And if you look the team, and I'm the captain and the engineer, the sergeant, and the promoter. Uh, my friends left it out because they got scared. The camera, they can't talk to the camera. So I'm introduce my team solo. So if we move forward with the development plan and foundation, this team debut in Formula One, adaptation of the team Akosh B1 car to the race condition, collaboration with Honda to improve engine reliability, recruiting engineers and building a strong team. Goal, consistent finishes and scoring first points. So our team will be first Kazakhstan team with good bolide and with chance to get title. Our sponsors will be Kaspi KZ, Freedom Super App, and Red Bull. This is the main sponsors. The remaining sponsors is involved in the small parties will also only be Kazakh brands in order to showcase them to the world. And so growth next etap is growth, improving aerodynamics and car performance, competing for top 5 in constructor championship, attracting new sponsors and partners, developing a young driver academy, and the goal is regular podium finishes. Phase third, fighting for the race wins optimizing race strategy and pit stops, and the technical base of the team, instability status as a top team, goal, race wins, and title contentions. And the last phase is championship era, and competing for drivers and constructors championship, achieving dominance in the championship, expanding the Akosh brand globally, investing in innovation and technology, become a Formula One legend. So I'm finished my presentation.
So do you have team members or it's only you who are working on the project?
No, I'm only one, solo.
Okay, your time, sorry for interrupting. So your time is going now for Q&A. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Okay. Do you have a render of your car?
3D render?
Yep.
I have only this one prototype.
Did you made it or you downloaded it somewhere?
Say. Sorry.
Did you render it or did you download it somewhere?
No, I don't render it.
Do you think how much money you need?
For the start, I think we need a lot of millions money because to get to Formula One, we need to hire Max Verstappen, Fernando Alonso. This is a top pilots, and the engineer Toto Wolff. He's now in Mercedes. He can't left, so if we give him a lot of money, I think he come to our team. So I think for the start we need like 100 million or
I'm sorry, have you read the regulations of this competition? Like our regulations? Because you don't need to have the pilot for the car.
minute. I'm missing this moment, I think.
Small prototypes. You need make small prototypes.
Now we don't have small prototypes. Only this prototype.
No, he means the meaning of this competition, making small car prototypes that will race in 20-meter races in 5 or 4 seconds. It's a whole race is like this one.
I think I'm missing this moment.
No worries. Thank you for the presentation.
Anyway, I think Fernando Alonso is too old for this competition. Even if the Formula 1 team from Kazakhstan will start his journey to Formula 1, he will be even too old for this potential big project. So to join Formula 1, you need several years to reach this goal. So Fernando Alonso will end his career maybe in next 2-3 years. So great idea, but not with Fernando. With Max Verstappen, still possible. And Toto Wolff, he is the not so good engineer. He is a really good team manager, and he's a good, really amazing business person and team engine. Yes,
So sorry for interrupting you, but the time for Q&A is up.
Okay.
Again, so sorry. So I want another team to present. It's Nomad Racers, but they renamed their team, as far as I remember, right? Nomad Racers? Nomad Racers.
Hello, we're here.
Okay, so what's your team name is now?
We're Nomad Racers. We were just signed up wrong.
Okay, great. Now I give you the permission to show your presentation. Could you confirm if it's working?
Screen
Yes, screen share.
Okay, screen share from the, okay. Is it working? I hope it does. I can spotlight you that everyone sees you. Great.
Где screen share? Видишь там screen share? Sorry, we can't see screen share option.
Okay, what's your you're entering from the laptop, right? Can you say
Yeah.
your name in the Zoom? Another name?
Name. Wait.
What's your username?
1 second.
Because I gave the permission from the number that I see. So is everything all right? Could you say it?
Wait. So where's the button located?
It's like you have share, and then you do share screen.
Is this like подробнее, and then запись?
No, it is not that.
Нет, запись.
It should be like separate button, share screen.
Yes, it should be separate button.
But there's no such a button.
Button with the arrow up.
Yes. With the arrow up. Maybe you're joining from another laptop.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, well,
your laptop.
you try to do from this.
This number, which laptop is this?
Like which number?
Which account is the main account that they should give access to? Confirm that. Which account they should give access to?
Wait.
There are many users.
Please be a little bit faster as we have other teams.
Yeah, we'll join now.
You will join now.
Yes, we are going to join from another device.
Okay, please be a little bit faster. Creature Steam is ready. Okay. Okay, I received Igor. Igor
Okay,
is
yes, we
that?
joined.
It's Igor Bleskov, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. I hearing my echo and it's
Yeah, now we have button to share.
okay. Okay, do it. Good luck. I will. Can you share your screen? We need to see it if it works. Okay, now you're sharing your screen. Are you ready for the presentation?
Yes.
Okay, so now your time is going now. Good luck.
Okay. What connects Kazakh nomadic culture with STEM racing? It's aerodynamics of a horse, and that's what inspired our team. Hello, we are Nomadic Racers, and here's our team. So you will see each member's contribution throughout the presentation. So our timeline consists of a structured engineering process. First is research, analysis, then it's concept design and CAD development. Then we manufactured, then we tested in CFD and CFD software, and further we developed it in. Then we manufactured and tested it, eventually coming to final preparation, final product, and preparation for the competition.
Our team used Atlas Fusion 360 to design and refine the race cans through multiple iterations. CAD allowed us to create accurate 3D models that dimensions against competition regulations and optimize our car body for and minimize drag with increased stability. Several designs versions were developed throughout with testing in SFD structure. For reduce, we are trying to reduce frontal area and maintain stability. Precise modeling also ensured correct wheel alignment, balanced weight distribution, and reliable assembly of all components. By using CAD, we transformed all the concepts into competition-ready engineered solution, supported by data and contribution refinement. Here in this slide, you can see our two versions of our car and some corrections. Firstly, we changed the rear wing by spoiler to decrease the drag, and also we smoothed the front wing to make airflow overcome the car without interacting with wheels. And also the wheel structure allows us to stay stable, to stabilize our car in track, but also not to reduce drag as much as possible.
Okay, moving to our fluid dynamics study, our goal was to scientifically minimize drag rather than just guessing. So we ran simulations at 20 meters per second to find where exactly the A is hitting the car and slowing it down. So the comparison on screen shows that shows the biggest breakthrough. So our version 1 has design had a high angle rear wing, which was causing massive turbulence. So by integrating the wing into the chassis of in version 2, we achieved a 34% reduction in drag. Dropping our coefficient from 0.0283 to 0.0187. So this is the key to our straight line speeds. Technically, we focus on three things. First is managing the frontal stagnation point to split the air cleanly. The second is using the front wing to create an outwash effect, pushing air away from the turbulent wheels. And the third thing is we're adding a venture floor to create a low pressure section that was causing a downforce of 0.026 newtons. So all this data led to a predicted check time of 1.1 seconds. We didn't just build a model, we engineered a platform that uses every bit of airflow.
Okay. Our car manufacturing process consists of three main strategies. We are using CNC machinery and 3D printing. CNC machinery will allow us to cut a stem racing block, so it will decrease the weight of the car. We are using 3D printing to print rear wing and front wheel and spoiler, so they will more accurate with precision to 0.01 millimeters. Also, here you can see is the table which compares two spoilers, version 2 and version 2, version 1 and version 2. We decrease the mass by nearly 1.5. It allows us the total weight of the car is the total mass of the car now is 48.3 grams, which is very good for aerodynamics and reducing drag.
So now, what makes us a strong partner is our clear direction and a long-term vision. We're not just preparing for a single event. We're building growth where each competition helps us improve and move forward. Our goal is to develop not only strong technical results, but also a sustainable team that can compete at a higher level and reach international opportunities.
Our sponsorship strategy is built not only just a financial relationship, but specifically our vision of innovation and excellence. We chose specifically these 5 companies, as you can see here: Freedom, HyperOptic Q, Eurotrack, Castus, and InvestLink. And they each contribute to a different sector or factor of our performance, like insurance, fintech, connectivity, and logistics. However, what do they get in return from us? They get visibility and branding, media exposure, and most importantly, community. With visibility, of course, sponsor logos are featured prominently on our race car, team uniform, our shirts, merch, and so on. And of course, they'll be sponsored in the STEM Racing World official in 2026 in October. As well, they'll be showcased in our social
I'm
media.
so sorry for interrupting, but your time is up. And now we are having 4 minutes for Q&A.
Okay.
1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Okay, second time during this competition, I will tell that I am impressed by the sponsorship and marketing strategy, and I will not ask any questions now because I have a lot, and I hope to discuss it in future.
Question about the 3D model and the aerodynamics. In which program you make aerodynamics?
We use special like performance in Autodesk Fusion 360. Like we used some performance. We insert our car model into Fluid Dynamics, and also after that we used the website called SSM Flight, where we inserted our model and copied some parameters from previous simulations from other F1 from other teams.
Can you show your 3D model?
What?
Can you show your 3D model?
Of course.
How many members in your team?
5.
5. Here you can see 2 versions of our 3D models. First one was like draft, where we tried our aerodynamic features, and second one it is like influenced by after the simulation in SFD we changed some parameters, as you can see here.
Okay. If you had additional time, what would you improve?
If we will have additional time, we're gonna improve our CAD model. Firstly, we want to like present our CAD models for sponsors, so they can see what like our development, our like path, and they can like maybe navigate us and help us to improve in future.
Okay, thanks.
I have 2 short questions. How much iteration you make of your 3D model?
Okay. We made 2 iterations, and we have like a lot of 2 main iterations. It is our front wing and the spoiler, which influence our drag and high pressure in the front of the car.
And in your presentation, you say about the CNC milling machine you use for make
Yeah.
body. Have you worked with CNC before?
Yeah,
And
like I
material
participated.
you use?
Yes, I have worked with this machine before because I'm participating in team MLP in FTC, and with this team I won a lot of competitions, and we regularly use CNC machine for cutting borders for each robot, and we are using polycarbonate and carbon and some type of wood, so it would like improve our stability. But for this type, we are gonna order stem racing block, and then we are gonna cut it for our main body.
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, if that's it from the judges, because there are 20 seconds left, so I think that's it. Thank you so much, the Nomad Racers team. Now we are going to the Graters team. Yes, it's Graters team. Could you please say your username that I could provide the permission to show your presentation?
Oh, we're a greater team.
Uh,
Добре.
okay, I see. Hello, guys.
Let us show our presentation. Just 1 minute, please.
Okay, hi. So could you share your screen if it's all right?
Yes, 1 moment, please. Сейчас.
Great. Is it all right? Is everything okay?
We're trying to demonstrate 1 moment.
Okay.
So,
Okay, it works.
do you see
Great.
something?
Okay, we see your screen. So your presentation goes now and your time is going now. Good luck.
So, good afternoon, judges. We are Team Graders. Today we will tell you about our Formula One car and its innovation solutions. Let us introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Qazaqstan.
Hello, my name is Женя. Hello, my name is Tulukov Konstantin. My name is Azbiz Rakimbaeva.
My name is Sultan Muhammad.
Team history. For this 4 year, team graders competition. Many experience competition for FLL, VRO, Robotorny, Line Foreign. For our team graders visited for Turkey Fibonacci competition. Then we visited USA on bulk beast competition and we had 3rd place. Also, we have been in Italy on also Fibonacci competition where we had 1st place. Our project goals.
Project goals to build an effective and a very good racing car, to create all our brand, to the use effectively time and plan every step to the completing the very victory.
Time planning. We had 3 weeks to prepare this competition. First 3 and 5 days, we were briefing and team storming. Then we assigned roles and deadlines. After this, from some time, we intern checkup. After intern checkup, we made some fixes. Then we compact description and model assembly, developing the final presentation. Our model.
The more that our team have for lead leads for Mercedes Formula One car, for lights, make for 2 motor superpower and body with concise Lego spike brain.
So next one.
For the model consist of the 3 key parts. First is the turn mechanism, gear and motors. Second, for drive mechanism, gears, is motor difference. And 3 is a body corpus made from the Lego and keep another 2 key parts.
Our innovation project is ISK. It's air stability control. It's work like this. Sensor in real time read air flows and open our flaps like airplane. In turns, flaps open automatically. It helps reciprocal control and going off the track.
How we came up with this idea?
We got like this idea, we saw cars that cars go off in the tracks into Oslo, Oslo, the car the car often lose control because airflow. So we decided to make the solution and how will be our car in the future? In the future, our car be made with light and strong materials, and their weight 770 kilogram. So it can be fast and stability. Our model have be ISK and their reach 380 or 400 km per hour with high stability and safety.
Our 3D model is was difficult to make for Blender, and so we did it.
Our future development. We want to improve aerodynamics, so to make our car more faster and also safety. Upgrade branding. We want to make brand of our command more more known.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you, but your time for presentation is up, and now you're having 4-minute Q&A session.
Okay, it's
So
okay.
your Q&A goes now.
Okay, thank you for your time. Wait for a minute, please.
Please, can you show your 3D model and do you make some kind of analysis to it?
I'm so sorry, but we make a 3D model in school and this project in the school, and we are forgot it.
But we have some photos of this our model in the presentation. Let me show us. Like we have some details on these pictures, and also we have some photos on this one.
What about 3D model? Because in the competition where you are participating, there are a small metallic or I don't know plastic model that is like really small.
Yeah, we know, but in school we have only Lego Spy Prime, but in the future we make with metal, plastic, and another.
Okay, thank you.
So maybe you have some marketing plan to invite local Lego office to be a sponsor, or maybe some marketing plan to for another sponsors or partners.
No, we have not. Like we have maybe school and our parents.
Okay. Do you have any plan or strategies, maybe some researches about doing your bullet from another like you said plastic, except Lego? Do you have any plan or strategies?
Yeah, we have plan. We make with light plastic, and we have many electronics with our flaps.
We want to use some
FTT details.
Yes.
Okay,
In your,
thanks.
do you have the members who work with 3D printers, maybe CNC machines, working with CAD system, CAD programs, use?
Yeah, we use 3D printer in our school, and our member have one 3D printer. It's all.
Okay.
Do you have questions?
Do you have any questions more?
When work which 3D printers in the Blender?
No questions about the marketing strategy. It's quite interesting concept with Lego parts. Lego is the official sponsor of the Formula One, so I think they have to think about joining STEM competition as an official supplier. But okay, it's a great idea.
Time is up. Thank you, the Graders team. It was interesting. So now I am inviting Delta V team.
Hello. Could you? So I have an access to share, yeah?
I will give you an access. So it's Delta V, your username, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you're having an access. Check it out if it works.
Okay. So yeah, I'm sharing it now.
Okay, it works. So now you're having 6 minutes to present, and your time goes now. Good luck.
Yeah. So from starting about our team members, we have divided between engineering team and marketing team, as you can see on the screen. So Asnali, Najmuddin, Arnur, me, Salim, Dastan, and Semyon. And moving to the aims of our project, we decided to spread the STEM education, STEM racing, do education, do research, and have happiness and enjoy the whole journey and have a sustainability.
Hey, coming to the experience of ourselves, we have engineering and innovation experience. It's like we assembled, self-assembled Tensor. It's adaptive bionics in collaboration with NU and NYU professors. Also, we are participating at FTC and fellow competitions. Well, we are competing at national and international levels. This year, we have qualified to the World's Championship. Also, we have raised several thousands of dollars to our tech startups like Offskin, and also we are mentoring some peoples in aerospace engineering.
Coming to the business and ecosystem, hello everyone, my name is Hassan Ali. We founded Curricula Guide. It's a NetTech startup that scaled, it's a platform for students and high school students to find opportunities such as internships and etc. And we scaled it to 6,500 plus users. Also, we have Timur Kazak. It's a ecosystem of community of high school students and just strategic growth. We've been having a lot of experience in scaling and marketing businesses.
Yeah. Besides engineering and business, we also have international awards as well. We are the medalists of international project competitions such as Informatics Asia and national science competition as well. Next slide.
Okay, now talking about marketing strategy. Based on our experience, we divided all of the media presence into 3 platforms. It's an Instagram for overall basic users for just media presence and coverage of big amounts of people. Then LinkedIn and Twitter for more professional touch, for investors, for sponsors, and just connections that can be useful for our project. Here you can see the content plan, what we're planning to, or can you go back right now? What we're planning to post there and KPIs. Okay, now about sponsor development. Because we have participated in a lot of tournaments, such as we have been a Red Bull Basement 2026 finalists, so the top 10 out of more than 3,000 people. We have connections with Red Bull representatives, Freedom Bank representatives. We have a partnership on our different projects with 2 ministries of Kazakhstan, and will be, of course, sponsored by our school, NAS. Main strategy is cold mailing. You can see the example of email that I sent to Freedom Mail, reaching out to existing partners, and at the end, finding manufacturing support from companies. Yandex and Asana Motors is examples of companies that we can reach in the future.
To encompass 4 main values of sim racing, such as curiosity, persistence, and collaboration, we are currently collaborating with Astana International Airport, where we are assembling the bracelets for hearing impairment persons. Also, we have launched Nomad Lounge. It's the AI incubator for high school students, where we empower students to build their startups in racing sphere as well. And we already have 5 startups that connect with racing. Just talking about statistics, we have more than 1,000 participants and more than 60 startups have launched since Nomad launch. Next slide.
Yeah, we're talking about the car itself. First, we research how the aerodynamics works in the Formula 1 cars and in the natural entities. So you can the main outcome was that we need to make more focus on the ground effect and on the floor design. Next slide, please. So, yeah, so here's our current version of the car. Next slide. Yeah, so as you can see, we have all regulations followed. Next slide, please. Yeah, so as you can see, our main dimensions are like the width of almost 7 centimeters, height almost 5, and the length of the bolide is almost 25 centimeters. So we've calculated the center of mass and the mass itself in the Fusion Autodesk. So it's going to be 46 grams without the ballast, and with the 1.5 gram of ballast, we can make it the lightest version of it. Next slide, please. Yeah, so the talking about regulations, also all regulations are followed, and about one of the most like interesting parts is about virtual cargo. We have flipped it to look at the backwards, so we can save almost 5 millimeters in height, and it's also follows all the regulations. And as you can see on the cross-section view, it perfectly fits in the car's main body. Next slide, please. Yeah, so we've conducted all tests. We've made all simulations. Next slide. Yeah, as you can see, everything is followed. We made all load stress tests and all constraints are followed as well. Next slide. Yeah, also we've decided to
I
tackle
am
the
so sorry for interrupting, but your time is over, and I'm inviting the judges to ask questions, and your time for Q&A goes now.
Okay, let me be first. Can you return to the page with LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok? Okay. Can you tell me, please, how do you want to use LinkedIn in your marketing strategy? Which kind of information you want to share through this professional network?
So basically, it's quite easy. Well, milestone announcements, right, is what everyone does in LinkedIn. Sponsor spotlights, we can reach out to the sponsors directly. We can just build our personal brand or more professional side in there. So yeah, milestone, our accomplishments, our future plans, something behind the scenes maybe.
So you want to use LinkedIn as connection sharing platform or as a normal
More
social
of a
media?
connection platform, because we will well project our basic what our project is about, but it's more going to be a source for connections and professional network.
Okay, great.
Question about 3D model, and do you make some kind of aerodynamics analysis?
Yeah,
we
we
made
actually
a
didn't
bunch of
manage it in time, so we have a CFD analysis, and we did pressure analysis, velocity analysis, and verticity lambda 2, and it showed the coefficient of drag like 0.11 in the ANSYS discovery software.
Good.
What technology you use to produce this model?
Mostly we used Fusion 360 with ANSYS software.
What's the material?
Oh,
Like
next slide. Okay.
metal,
Yeah, so-
plastic, carbon.
Yeah, so mostly, as you know, the main body must be made from the PU foam, so it will be CNC made. We've also made all the simulations for the CNC, but mostly we will use nylon 12. Is like a plastic but more flexible for the wings because it could also give us an advantage in the aerodynamics as well, and also for the some parts like nuts in the pit stop challenge and the balls, we also could use acetal resin and PEEK. Is actually like something like a more hard version of plastic. And also for some mounts, more parts that require more resistance, we would use ABS plastic, 3D printed version of it.
Do you have experience working with CNC mining?
Yeah, we've participated, as we told before, in the FTC competitions where we making a lot of components from the metal, from the PU foam as well, using laser cuts, CNC, 3D printers. We have like 4 3D printers in our school and 1 laser cut. And also we know I've personally worked with CNC at the new machine shop, Nazarbayev University's machine shop.
Yeah.
What type of skills you gained throughout the preparation?
Well, as a head of design, I fully taught myself Figma because, well, in the past projects I worked in different softwares like Canva and other type of design softwares, but Figma was quite interesting, and working in such short amount of time is also giving a lot of insights on how to productively manage the workload.
How much iteration you make of your 3D model?
Maybe like from 3 to 5. It was actually almost similar to the.
I'm sorry, but the time is over. Thank you so much for that conversation. And now we are moving to the last team. So the last team is RSR Technica Industries. Who is the representative? Could you please say your username, as I need to give the permission?
Yeah, hello. Now I'll
Hello.
try to share the screen.
Okay, just give me a moment.
Okay.
Could you do it now?
No, we are waiting.
Okay, but I gave it. Okay, I would give it now.
No, we can't do it. I don't know.
Okay.
Like
Could you do it
organizer.
now?
Oh yeah, now we can.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So yeah, here
Okay,
it is.
just give me.
Can you see it clear?
Yes, I can see it. So your presentation time goes now. Good luck.
Yeah, so hello everyone. We are RSR Technica Industries team. So let's start. It is our team structure. So hello, it's me. It is Denis Berbashov. I'm founder and chief project engineer. So I decided to make this team because I'm a real racing enthusiast. I have a huge passion for classic cars, classic motorsport, and I always dreamed about creating my own racing team.
Hello, my name is Chingiz. I am aerodynamics engineer, and I decided in the motorsport, and in the future I want to work it in the GT3 racing series. I am student in a Lyceum number 28 in the 10th grade student.
Hello, my name is Maxim Osachi. I am team manager. I am expert in promotion strategies with a deep understanding of various paths. I have a good understanding of marketing and can bring our team to market.
So the quest of our team is not just to take a part in STEM racing, but also to develop our own real racing team in further time. And the main our quest is to bring real motorsport spirit, real real engineering states into main masses of people, to motivate young people as us to participate in engineering and motorsport. Here is our team structure. So as I said before, we're interested in creating our own real racing team. So STEM Racing is just like a startup of our racing team. Further, with our real skills, real engineering skills, real business skills, we want to develop like a real racing team with real cars, real strategists, and to race on the real racetracks. We're taking our inspiration from all the new Porsche racing teams because we really think that they are benchmark of style and pure engineering majesty.
All team names honors classic motorsport with RSR buying to the iconic Porsche 911 Carrera Turbo RSR. Its legacy of the speed and precision. The technical industries reflects our engineering DNA. We prove our value through performance, precision, and real results.
We introduced color palette. It is black, yellow, and red. You can see it on first slide. There is invented colors to look for logo to look better. So the black color means carbon. So it is racing materials. And the transition from yellow to red means engine hitting the red line and a passion for racing.
In typography, we use the italicized typeface of the logo, which really conveys forward momentum, sheer dynamics, and a source for speed.
The third form composition, the auto stylized to the evolved balance, height, speed, track corner, and the technical brake.
Measures the road drive motorsport with rigorous framework and precise engineering calculations. So Max, here
At RSR Technica Industries, our gear is more than just equipment. It's our identity. From custom race suits that boost driver confidence to unfiltered pit crew aesthetic with project professional excellence. Our striking vintage inspired livery isn't just for a show. It's sponsor magnet designed to prove that we obsess over every detail. We don't just race, we represent.
Here you can
Our
see
team. Our team uniform is the visible backbone of RSR Technica, from fire resistance racing suits and aerodynamic helmets for our drivers to professional polos and hoodies for the crew. Every piece carries our signature colors. This unified look ensures we stand out single discipline for the boot in the paddock on the track. We don't just sell space on a jacket, we sell an image. Our tile serves as a walking billboard, offering partners an illustration with success and high-octane digital content. By meticulously detailing our kit, we guarantee that every photo, interview, and podium finish provides premium visibilities for sponsors' brands. We offer strategic win-win partnership from title sponsors with primary branding to technical partners providing critical resources. Whether through in-person pitching or digital outreach, we invite businesses to join our journey. Together, we can fuel the next generation of engineering talents and dominate the racing scene.
So, here you can see a car manufacturing process. There are some photos of me and Chingiz developing our car. We engineered our car by calling the top technologies from the Formula One, Le Mans, the WRC series, the team, and NASCAR. We're adapting these technologies from the scale model physics while following the same racing rules. And bodywork design. We inspired the jet aircraft's body design blends smooth aerodynamics with sharp lines that control airflow. So here you can see some live photos of engineering our car. And here you can
Sorry,
see our
your time is up. So now we are having a Q&A. And you have 4 minutes for that. Good luck.
Okay, regarding sponsorship and marketing, I understood everything, so I'll give more time to my colleagues from technical team.
Do you have any kind of analysis to aerodynamics?
Yeah, we have it first in our presentation. We can show it now. We have a strong analysis of all elements of all racing cars. So you can see the front wing, underbody side elements, and rear wing and wheels. So we show that our front wing is inspired by Formula One front wings. So you can see these wings on two sides of the main structure. It makes the air go up to the wheel and then to the body. And this slant nose form inspired by famous Porsche 935. There you can see underbody work. It is inspired by huge diffusers of LMP cars, so it directs airflow straightly. So it makes the car more stable on speed because we understood in steam racing there is no corners, there is no turns, so we don't really need the huge downforce. We just need the stability on speed because there is like a straight line, so we just need to keep the car stable so it will not bump to any side and will not lose any speed. And rear wing is made by inspiration of famous Dodge Charger Daytona. It is made also for stabilizing the airflow and makes like it makes downforce, but not a huge amount. So our car will not lose in speed, but this downforce will help us to gain this stability control on the rear axle. And wheels are inspired by DTM wheels, and the wheels just that all car enthusiasts know. It is rotiform aero disc. Mostly it is a cover for rims, but we use it as a whole wheel. It directs airflow and it doesn't make the air goes into the wheel to and produce difference between pressures, so it will not stop the car. And here you can see aerodynamic architecture, which we modeled with Chingiz.
What kind of software do you use?
Autodesk soft.
Repeat, please.
Autodesk, by Autodesk. Everything is made by Autodesk. Model is made in Fusion 360, and soft is made in Autodesk CFD.
Mm-hmm. And what is your final drag coefficient?
We didn't really measure it. We had like a strict deadlines because like there was some problems with the team with because in this time we had a lot of tests in our schools and we couldn't like we we didn't have so a lot of time, but here you can see how air goes. So with which we can tell that it helps to stabilize the car on the speed. So it doesn't really produce the big amounts of downforce. Downforce is needed on turns to create more more traction on wheels. So we don't have turns in stem racing, so we reduce downforce to the minimum, so it will just keep the stability of the car. And we mostly use this fighter jet inspired and LMP inspired aero elements just to direct the airflow.
Last question. How do you produce it?
We'll produce it from model block, which is provided by Stem Racing on their site. I think that we'll use like some equipment that I'm sorry, I forgot the name. Like it uses a drill.
Your time is up.
Makes the
Thank
form.
you so much. So
Last
I
question.
think
Last question. Sorry. How much iteration you make of 3D model?
Oh, we made a lot of iterations. You can see it on live. Like
How
there
much?
wasn't
Just number. How much?
like I need to explain this. We didn't like iteration of a ready car. We have only one, but while process of making, I made a lot of tries to like to adjust something to regulations, to adjust something to airflow. So like this lines that you can see on the bottom, which is inspired by LMP, I was remaking them like I think 4 times. I was remaking the nose part for 3 times because it couldn't fit the regulations, and otherwise it didn't work as it's supposed to.
okay, that's it. I guess it was so. I guess it was the last presentation, and there's no. Thank you so much for the teams who present today. So
Thank you.
yes, thank you.
And thank you too. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So I believe that that's it for today, right?
Arjan?
Question. We have 38 teams, right?
В итоге меньше. Из тех, кто в таблице по времени, получается 28.
У нас еще идет YouTube же. Может, отключить?
Надеюсь, его выключили, да?
Сейчас я
YouTube
отключаю все.
еще здесь RSR Technica.
Несколько команд еще не вышли.
Да, команда еще не вышла. Их кто-то может отключить? Все,
Все,
спасибо.
я отключил.
Спасибо.